Drive's Carrier Site Tutorial. Dashboard. Select Dashboard from the left sidebar of the Drive Carrier site to go to the Dashboard page. The fleet tracking on the dashboard page shows a map with the vehicles of your fleet. The last time the map was updated is shown in the upper right. To refresh the map, select the Refresh button. Zoom in and out of the map with the controls in the upper left. On the left side is a list of the vehicles. This list can be filtered with the toggles at the bottom. The toggle Filter Search Results by Map Bound will show only the drivers that are in the area the map covers. Zoom into the map to shorten your list of vehicles. The toggle Only Show Online Vehicles will show only vehicles that are currently connected to their ELD device. Search for drivers or vehicles using the search bar at the top. If you double-click on a vehicle in the list, it will automatically zoom you into that vehicle's location. Select a vehicle from the list or on the map to open up its pop-up on the map. That pop-up will show in General Information. To view more information, select the View Vehicle or View Driver button. If a driver is set to Personal Conveyance, you will see PC for their status and their name will be blue on the map. The precision of the vehicle's location is reduced to follow the FMCSA's ELD requirements. The vehicle is located within approximately 6 miles of their PIN. If you click on the PIN, a circle will appear on the map to help you visualize the vehicle's approximate age. Drive, your solution to ELD compliance.